Hey guys, this is the crazy marshmallows.
So can I pick the bird up?
And today, we have the bird out, and she's like shaking right now, and she's flying everywhere. Let her fly. Okay. And yeah, she's really scared.
She doesn't want to fly.
Ready? Come on, Tweety. Ah!
She bit you?
She bit me when I was trying to get her out of the cage. Ready, Tweety? Go. It's okay. She don't want to fly.
Maybe she hurt herself.
No, she didn't.
Just kidding.
One time she flew in the garbage pail.
That's so funny.
You just said that.
Okay, 100 times.
Can I pick her up now? No. Give me. Wait.
I want to pick the bird up. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Watching a movie.
So we're gonna try to make her fly.
Go to the sky. Oh, fly to the sky.
Baby.
Go.
You don't want to do it right on me.
Shake your arm. Ah, here it goes.
Oh my God.
Oh, she fell. It looks like it hurts. Dan, can I please hold the bird now?
Wait. Okay, ready? Ready? Hold your hands out. She's very scared. So go like that. Go like this. We could put her like right there. Go, Tweety. She's scared, that's why. Okay. Tweety, you got him? She's on. Okay, go. There we go.
No. She's so cute. Better not poop on me.
That would
be funny. If you could see how much poop there is in the cage.
That's a whole.
Let's put her back.
No.
You poop.
Here.
You poop it.
Can I have it now?
No.
I have to put it back.
Let Madison hold her.
I do want to hold it. No, she won't hold it. Ready, give me.
Wait.
I gotta put it back.
I'm putting her on the cage.
Put her on the cage. No. She's not gonna go in the cage.
I want to put her
is.
on. She made a hole in my jacket.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did. What's that?
She's biting her sleeve.
I know.
You like it? Does it taste good?
Come a kissy.
Alright, put it back.
Okay, ready to eat?
Tornado.
Ready to eat?
Tornado.
Hold it up.
Everybody take this up me. Maddie!
You are.
Shankalata.
She's biting it. She's biting the cage.
I know.
Anthony, you want to hold the cage up for her?
And can you hold the cage up?
Thank you. She's like, don't put me in there.
No. No, why'd you put me
She's a
in there?
biter.
I know.
Well, she's not that much brighter. I know the cage.
Maddie, lift this up. Got this. It's up.
Oh, I forgot to say, we have a guest, my best friend.
Don't lift it up.
And that's Maddie. Oh,
Sup,
full scrot.
Sup.
That's my jacket.
Yeah, this is her jacket. I the same one. The Anthony face.
That's my thing. And oh,
To all my sisters. That was her.
Ow,
do
that
that?
hurts.
What did you do?
okay. So I hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe.
You put the bird away?
Yeah.
Hey.
Comment what you want us to do for tomorrow. Bye.